Good morning, children. Welcome to Connecting Class to Home e-learning program by DCM Group of Schools. I know you all must be feeling tired and lazy sitting at home from last many days. So let's start our day with some fun exercises to make our body fit and active. I hope you all will enjoy the session with me.
Skipping is great for our overall fitness. It is also good for our flexibility, stamina, balance, leg strength, etc. Get a plastic cup and ping pong ball and throw the ball in the air and try and catch it in the cup. This game is great for improving arm strength and hand-eye coordination.